first step. Right. Second take, because I didn't have everything ready the first time. First, clamp the block in place. Get a solid object vertically. See if we have a good field of view. Drive rod spring. Spring gets put in the hole. Rod in the spring. Using the carry handle with its hole, it's got the special dent to allow this to rotate. Place that in there and push down until you get it to the bottom. Then, simply using a screwdriver, it's difficult to see with the camera, let's move the camera around. And using just your simple screwdriver, push down and rotate. There you go. 2 minutes worth of work, no injuries, and you have your drive rod installed. Remove it can be just as simple and safe. Again, clamp it in, get it tight, place the eye through, and simply untwist. Pull it out slowly. There you go. A completely safe and easy way to install the drive rod spring.